Hello, my name is Teacher Renee from South Africa. I bring over 5 years of teaching experience along with my 120-hour advanced TEFL qualification, all to ensure you get the best learning experience with skills in communication, listening, reading books, and even counting. My teaching style is interactive, fun, and full of English teaching. We are going to learn through means of stories, songs, and colorful worksheets. You'll practice phonics for perfect pronunciation, grammar for great sentence and conversation. I believe learning should be enjoyable and each lesson will be unique and engaging to build confidence. Book a lesson with me today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.